Finding the right denture reline kit is essential for comfort and functionality. The Furzero Silicone Reline Denture Set, available on molooco.com, promises a custom fit, long-lasting comfort, and relief from soreness. But is it really worth it? Here's a closer look at the product, its benefits, and whether molooco.com is a trustworthy site. What is the Furzero Silicone Reline Denture Set? The Furzero Silicone Reline Denture Set is designed to improve the fit of dentures, reducing irritation and discomfort. It uses a soft silicone material that molds to your gums for a customized, secure fit. Key features: comfortable fit. Soft silicone ensures a snug, irritation-free experience. Easy to use, apply, fit, and wear, no complicated steps. Affordable solution. Priced at $21.90, it offers an alternative to professional denture relining. Long-lasting relief. Helps eliminate sore spots caused by loose dentures. How to use the Silicone Reline Denture Set. Clean and dry. Ensure dentures are clean and completely dry. Apply silicone. Spread the silicone evenly over the dentures using the applicator. Fit and wear. Insert the dentures, press firmly for a secure fit, and enjoy lasting comfort. Is molooco.com legit or a scam? Molooco.com claims to offer affordable, high-quality products, but customer reviews are mixed. Here are some factors to consider. Established in 2016, the website claims to provide unique, budget-friendly items. 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing returns for unsatisfied customers. Shipping takes 3 to 5 business days, but delays may occur during peak seasons. Concerns: some customers report delayed shipping and refund issues. Limited online presence, making verification difficult. Mixed reviews on trust platforms, with complaints about customer service. Molooco.com has a Trustpilot rating of 2.6/5 based on 8 reviews, raising concerns about its reliability. Some customers report shipping delays and refund issues, while others find unique products at affordable prices. Before purchasing, check recent reviews to ensure a smooth shopping experience. Should you buy it? The Furzero Silicone Reline Denture Set offers a budget-friendly option for denture wearers seeking comfort. However, due to uncertainties about molooco.com's reliability, it's best to proceed with caution. Consider checking independent reviews before making a purchase.